Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, our credit rating has been held with a stable outlook and whole milk powder prices didn't fall further as expected. But first in the US, job openings edged down in July and the number of people quitting their jobs fell. They declined by 338,000 from the previous month to 8.8 million in July, the lowest level since March 2021. These are early signs of an easing labour market there and that the Fed's tightening policies are having the desired impact on their economy. As we noted last week, there is a good move up in bricks and mortar retail sales underway in the US. They're up a creditable 4.2% last week from the same week a year ago on a same-store basis. But you wouldn't know from looking at the update from the Conference Board Consumer Sentiment Survey that things are good. It dipped unexpectedly. They say consumers are noticing a cooling labour market and interest rates are biting. In Japan, their unemployment rate rose for the first time in 4 months in July. It rose to 2.7% from June, and had expected the reading to hold at 2.5%. In China, Beijing is leaning on its large state-owned banks to cut home loan interest rates to encourage home buying and cut deposit rates to discourage savings. There is fear in the air in the Chinese economy. In New Zealand, there was something of a surprise result in the GDT Pulse auction for whole milk powder prices overnight. They came in unchanged, ending a series of sharp falls from late July, staying at $2,450 a tonne. Another fall was expected. Still, this locks in a level we last saw in August 2016. And staying in New Zealand, ratings agency Fitch has held its AA+ credit rating for New Zealand with a stable outlook. It identified our current account deficits as a key weakness, but it isn't overly worried about household debt levels, less so about government debt levels, although fiscal target levels have been delayed. It likes both the RBN's monetary policies and our overall policy framework. The US Treasury 10-year yield will start today at 4.12%, down 10 basis points from this time yesterday. And the price of gold will start today at $1,937 an ounce. That's up $17 from yesterday. And oil prices are up $1.50 in the US to $81 a barrel there. And the international Brent price is up $1 at $84.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar starts today a 0.5 cent firmer than yesterday at just on 59.6 US cents after a greenback pullback. Against the Aussie, we're little changed at 92.1 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're also little changed at 54.8 euros. That all means our trade weight index is now at 68.6 and up a net 30 basis points. Get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.